Hello guys, today we make a cheese without rennet. Many people every time that I make the cheese ask me, can we do this cheese without rennet? Usually if I use the rennet because it's necessary. For this cheese, the paneer from India, you need only the milk and the lemon. Also, if you are from India and you know how to make it, please write down your suggestion, your advice in the comment below. I know that many people following the channel from India. Thank you guys. For this recipe we need only 2 liters of fat milk, the juice of half lemon, a little bit of hot water, plain water, a drainer, a cloth to drain our cheese, and a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt to give a taste to our cheese. Now we should on the fire under the milk and under the water. Now we need to squeeze half lemon, and when the milk starts boiling, we add the juice of the lemon. Remember to stir the milk always, if not the cheese will stuck or stick to the bottom of the pot. We add the lemon, we off the fire and we stir very well. We should wait 5 minutes. I forgot to mention, if you have not the lemon, you can use the vinegar, apple vinegar or any kind of white vinegar will be perfect. 2 tablespoons. After 5 minutes, we put our curd here in this towel, in this material. We drain the whey. Please don't throw away the whey. You can use it to make the milk wine. Now you will see the link. Or also you can use it the whey when you make bread or pizza dough. It's spectacular. So after that you drain the curd from the whey, we go on the basin, and with the hot water we wash a little bit our curd. In this way the taste of the lemon will go away. After we sprinkle with the salt and we get the shape to our cheese. Okay, after that we add the hot water, we squeeze a little bit. Be careful because everything is very hot. After we give the shape to the cheese, we put another dish on the top. We press, squeeze again the cheese a little bit, and after we put something heavy on the top. Now we should wait at least 30 minutes that our cheese become cold. See you later for the tasting. Bahut Shandal, that in Hindi means spectacular. Okay guys, don't miss the next video because we will use the paneer to make another recipe.